If your Forester's alarm is silent but everything else works, you're not alone. Let's break down the quick fixes to get your security system up and running. First, check your key fob battery. If pressing the buttons does nothing, a dead battery is the top culprit. Just pop in a fresh CR 2032 and test again. Next, unlock and relock your doors using both the remote and the physical key. Sometimes the alarm just needs a reset to wake up. Still no luck? Double-check all your doors, including the rear hatch, are closed tight. A slightly open door can fool the system into silence. Now find the alarm fuse in your Forester's fuse box. If it's blown, swap it with a new one. Just make sure you use the correct amp rating. If your alarm still won't chirp, look for that tiny button under the dashboard, your alarm's valet switch. Hold it down for a few seconds with the key on, and you might just reset the whole system. Finally, if nothing works, don't panic. Most Subaru dealerships can diagnose alarm issues quickly, and sometimes a software update is all it takes. So before you book that expensive repair, try these steps. Your Forester's alarm might be an easy fix away from working like new.